Hi guys, I'm Vanessa and welcome back to the Mary Kay YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trying the TimeWise Miracle Set 3D and telling you what makes this skincare regimen so special. I'd love for you to try it along with me. Before we get started, grab your TimeWise Miracle Set 3D so you can follow along. You can contact your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant to get your hands on the set in either normal dry or combination oily. Alright, now let's get this party started! We all want beautiful skin, right? The TimeWise Miracle Set 3D is an innovative collection of age-fighting products that work together to deliver the benefits you need for younger skin. The 4-product regimen uses the latest skincare science to deliver younger-looking skin for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Skin aging is a result of two influences: internal, or the natural aging process, and external factors. Now take a guess. How much do you think external factors such as UV rays, air pollution, and stress play a role in skin aging? Got your answer? It's 80%. The good news is there is something you can do about it. The TimeWise Miracle Set 3D takes a 3D approach to skin aging. It defends against age-accelerating free radicals. It delays the look of premature skin aging with UVA and UVB protection, and it delivers visible improvement of multiple signs of aging in just 4 weeks. Now, grab a damp washcloth and let's get to cleansing. Use a washcloth to wet your face and go ahead and apply the cleanser to your face, avoiding the eye area. Rub upward and outward in small circles. As you apply the cleanser, you're getting the combined benefits of 3 essential skincare steps: cleansing, exfoliating, and freshening, plus the added benefit of brightening. When you're finished, just remove your cleanser with a wet facial cloth. Your TimeWise Miracle Set 3D will come with 2 moisturizers, a day cream, and a night cream. We'll start with the TimeWise Age Minimize 3D Day Cream. Go ahead and apply that to your face now in an upward and outward motion. As you'll notice, a little goes a long way, so start with a small amount. You'll use this every morning right after cleansing. It helps improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Next is TimeWise Age Minimize 3D Night Cream. Normally, you apply it to your face in the evening after you cleanse, but you can just apply it to the back of your hand for now to see what it feels like. The final product is the TimeWise Age Minimize 3D Eye Cream. Did you know that because the skin around the eye area is so thin and fragile, it's often where you see the first signs of aging? This eye cream can be your first defense for looking younger. Use your ring finger to gently pat the eye cream around your eye area. Apply underneath the eye and along the brow bone. You can use this eye cream both morning and night. Doesn't your skin feel amazing? Mary Kay spends millions of dollars and conducts hundreds of thousands of tests each year to ensure that our products meet our high standards of quality, safety, and performance. And a Mary Kay independent beauty consultant can help customize a skincare routine or makeup look that's perfect for you. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. See you soon!